Hi, today we're going to be multiplying whole numbers using area models, also known as rectangle sections. For our first problem, we're going to be multiplying 451 times 80 without using everyone's favorite standard algorithm. Step number 1 is create your area model. It's just a big rectangle, hence the name rectangle sections. And you'll see why the sections are used in just a moment. Step number 2, we're going to decompose our number 451. Just break it apart into usable numbers that are easier for us to use. So they're working for us, we're not working for them. So we have 400 plus 50 plus 1. As you can see, 400 plus 50 plus 1 still equals 451. And we're going to multiply that by 80. Now the sections come in when we create our partitions. Wherever there's a plus symbol, we're going to create a partition because we're separating the hundreds place from the tens place from the ones place. That's why we're creating those sections and those partitions. So let's go ahead and use mental math. 8 times 4 is 32. Now take into account the place values of the zeros. So our answer for our first section is 32,000. Second section, 8 times 5 is 40. Account for the zeros place value. Our answer is 4,000. Last section is a very basic product of 80. 80 times 1 equals 80. Once you have those products, you're going to add them all up. 32,000 plus 4,000 plus 80. Some of you may be able to do that in your head. I prefer to just add them the long way. I like adding, not sure why. Just make sure that when you're adding, all your numbers are lined up. This is a perfect spot for quadrille paper. That way you don't make any silly mistakes. Our final answer is 36,080. Now, for those of you that are in love with the standard algorithm, let's go ahead and use standard algorithm to get the same solution. And there you have it. Both answers match. And I have my product. For a second problem, we're going to be multiplying 13 times 15. Now, I know before you jump the gun, you want to multiply 13 times 15 using standard algorithm. Bear with me. Let's go ahead and try rectangle sections, area models. See how they can benefit you. So start off by creating your rectangle, your area model, and decompose your numbers. Instead of multiplying 13 times 15, let's turn 15 into 10 plus 5, and 13 into 10 plus 3. Create your partitions wherever you have an addition symbol, and now look at how easy this is. Notice the difference. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 3 equals 30. 5 times 3 is 15. You have your 4 products. Now all that is left to do is to add your products. 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 15. You add those up, and your answer is 195. We'll go ahead and use standard algorithm just to check our answer. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry my 1 gives us 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 1 equals 1. My answer is 195 as well. So the answers do match.